Another green day. Dow up 0.94%, S&P 500 up 0.8%, and the Nasdaq up 0.97%. The Russell 2000 led up 1.68%. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both closed within 0.1% of record highs. This was a textbook push day. Clean strength, strong close, and solid participation. Big winners include banks, credit cards, industrial, machinery, cruise lines, defense, and metals. Tech kept pace. Micron's beat and raise helped lift sentiment across the AI trade. The laggards, off-price retail, quick service restaurants, China tech, tobacco, and home builders. The tape's still being driven by low volatility, steady inflation expectations, and political pressure on the Fed to cut. Markets are now starting to price in the possibility of a Powell being replaced as early as this summer. And that speculation alone has been enough to nudge rates lower and widen the runway for risk. Treasuries firmed again. 2-year yield down to 3.71%, 10-year at 4.24%, and the dollar index down 0.42%, hitting a 3-year low. Gold edged up 0.06%, still holding its ground as inflation expectations drift sideways. And oil climbed 0.94% to $65.53. Economic data was mixed. Jobless claims dropped to 236,000, best since mid-May. Durable goods crushed expectations. Q1 GDP revised lower to 0.5%. Core PCE inflation ticked higher to 3.5%. Pending home sales came in above estimates. Fed officials were all over the tape. Some like Collins and Daly said rate cuts could come, but not in July. Others like Goolsbee and Barr said the Fed is still well positioned to wait and see. So what does this mean for you? This isn't euphoria, it's confidence. The market knows where it wants to go, and as long as inflation doesn't pop and Powell doesn't get replaced too soon, that path still looks upward. Momentum plus low volatility plus soft landing hopes equals a setup you don't want to overthink. This isn't time to chase headlines, second guess every move, or wait for a perfect entry. Stay in your plan, stay in quality, and let the trend do the work. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stay profitable. I'll see you tomorrow morning. God bless.